Hi, meteorologist Mike Brookins. Look at these numbers. Something we would find maybe in late August, not here in the middle of October. 73 in Syracuse, 71 in Ithaca, 75 Penn Yan, and almost 80 degrees out in the Genesee River Valley at Dansville in southern Livingston County. Wow, that's pretty warm for October. Now, it wasn't quite that high as you went north and east. The warm front took a while longer to get through. And in fact, in Saranac Lake, when you get up there in northern and northeastern sections of New York State, the warm front never really made it in. Clouds are still hanging tough up there. At least the rain showers did come to an end, but they were in the 50s for a high. So a dozen degrees above average for our high temperature. Last night, just a couple of degrees above average. And these typical numbers, we won't be seeing them the next 24 hours. We're still well above average tonight. In fact, more than a dozen degrees for tonight. We're talking 15 to 20 degrees above our normal low. And tomorrow we should still be above the normal high of 61. 85 was the record high, so even though we were nice temperature-wise, was nowhere near that, still 12 degrees below the record. Rainfall. Yeah, a lot of rain it seems lately. Well, looking at the monthly total, well, we have 0.53 today, this Sunday. Monthly total 2.08, and that's above average by about a half an inch. And our total for the fall, the last month and a half, September 1st, meteorologically, that is actually normal, slightly above average. So we've seen quite a bit of rainfall as we've gone through the last month and a half, and things looking a lot more damp out there. A lot of the fields are pretty wet and muddy this evening. But it is drying out with the breezy conditions. It's mild. There's a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm as the cold front starts to approach. And that front will be working through early on Monday. Still a chance for an isolated shower. It'll be a windy day. And that wind will bring in cooler air eventually. Temperatures actually peak midday in the upper 60s and then start to fall. That wind coming in out of the west and then eventually west-northwest for Tuesday with some cool air arriving. There'll be some lake effect rain showers for Tuesday morning and some lake clouds as well for the morning hours. So here's the satellite radar. Still have that southerly pump of air in advance of a cold front, which right now is going through sections of Ohio into Kentucky. You can see some of the showers with that. This batch of showers over northwestern Pennsylvania to southeastern Ohio, that is moving towards portions of our viewing area. So we're expecting before midnight in the Finger Lakes showers to break out. It'll be closer to midnight in Syracuse, and I think they'll be like what's taking place down here in Ohio. Pretty spotty in nature. The bulk of the rain is going to stay to our west and northwest for tonight. Tomorrow, more chances for spotty showers. It'll be pleasant overnight, only dropping to near 60. Isolated shower, thunderstorm. Chance for a thunderstorm early. Otherwise, it's just an isolated shower, partly sunny and windy on Monday. We peak temperatures midday, and then that westerly wind begins to cool us down, and even more cooler air further to the northwest behind the second front. That comes in late Monday night with an increase in rain showers and some lake effect showers for Tuesday morning. There are the 70s, which we had Sunday. We're falling into the upper 60s and then 50s waiting in the west coming in for Tuesday. So we're going really a roller coaster ride in temperatures from the cold we had Saturday morning to the warmth and then back to some cooler temperatures on Tuesday and Tuesday night. Breezy conditions throughout the overnight. You'll hear those winds howling and stirring the leaves on the trees, bringing down quite a bit of leaves. We'll find winds out of the south 10 to 25. It'll be a breezy overnight. We'll find mostly cloudy skies with an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Still a chance for a thunderstorm early, otherwise partially sunny sky with an isolated shower during the day Monday. 68 the high at noon, and then temperatures begin to fall. After that windy day, it's still breezy and cool on Tuesday. We bring the temperature down to 54. And we'll deal with the partly sunny skies, some rain showers in the morning, dry for Wednesday, and we warm back in the 60s.